So there's a lot of different things that you can do. You don't have to cover your whole wall if you don't want. See, we actually cut these graphics out of your favorite team or whatever and make them as big as you want it. We can cover the whole wall with that. Here, a customer supplied us with a nice graphic of their garage, and it's very high resolution. It really looks nice. So it's endless what you can really do. Some people like collages of these pictures. So this is another example of collages, you know, that I did this mostly in black and white, but you know, we took a lot of pictures from the 50s and just brought them all together and covered the wall, or not the whole wall, but part of the wall. But you can cover the whole wall, blow that up, and you can see it's high resolution, and it makes a very interesting wall. I mean, people come in, that's the first place they go. They want to see what it used to look like back then, what gas stations looked like, and so forth. And it's really, really cool looking. Now, if you happen to have a home theater or whatever, you can actually do movie posters. You can go online, pick out the graphics that you like. We can reproduce these movie posters, just about anything that you want, and it makes the room look pretty cool. You know, put all your favorite movies up there, or just cover the whole wall with a huge poster if that's what your liking is. But there again, it's endless what you can really do to make your room look really nice. Now these various types of graphics, these are all actually hand-painted graphics, but we can print all of these also.